In this question, you have to match the components given in list 1 with that of list 2. The placenta secretes human chorionic gonadotropin, that is HCG, a hormone which is very essential for maintaining pregnancy as it supports the corpus luteum, ensuring continued progesterone production to sustain the uterine lining and the embryo. Thus, A matches with 2. Now, the zona pellucida, which is a glycoprotein layer surrounding the plasma membrane of the secondary oocyte, plays a very important role in sperm binding and initiating the acrosome reaction, which is very important or necessary for fertilization. And the secondary oocytes secretes this layer during oogenesis. Thus, B matches with 3. The bulbourethral glands, also known as Cooper's glands, secrete a mucus-like fluid that helps to lubricate the urethra and the penis during sexual arousal. And this fluid also neutralizes traces of acidic urine in the urethra, thus creating a favorable environment for the sperm. Thus, C matches with 3. Leydig cells, which are found in the testes, are responsible for producing androgens. For example, testosterone. So it plays, that is the androgen plays, a key role in male sexual development as well as the expression of secondary sexual characteristics. Thus, D matches with 1. Hence, the correct answer is option B.